Hello again. Well, as you can see from the title, we're going to make a little Piston Man. I'm going to do the best I can. I do my own filming and editing, and it's all on an iPhone. So I will get it in there as best I can so you can see as much of what's going on. Try not to bore anybody too much, but yeah, we're going to make a little Piston Man. And it is, this will be a first for me. Most of the ones I've done in the past have been aluminum. This is out of an old Farmall Cub, and it's cast iron, so that should be interesting. So we have, that's what the piston's out of. I've got some lifters here. They're out of I believe a Power Stroke lifter retainers off of them. Valve spring, valve. Make sure this came off a farm implement, a sprocket, and push rods out of the old engine. Couple wrenches, and a little camshaft come out of it was a busted generator, and it had a throwaway China motor on it, and I took a whole bunch of stuff out of the motor and kept all the valves and other little parts out of it, so I scrapped that out, and a whole piece of motorcycle chain. So let's get started on this, and we'll see how this all comes together. I'm making this for a YouTube friend of mine, CC Scraps. And I would really appreciate it if you get a chance to go over to his channel. If you already aren't familiar with him, check him out, give him a sub, like some videos, support him. Really down to earth guy, kind of dude. It reminds me that I could just sit back, drink a few beers, and really cut up with and have a good time. So if you don't already know CC Scraps, I'll try and post a link in the description. Go over there and check him out. But so here we go, let's get started. So that's that. Got to get ready to button him up and send him up the road. The cast iron, I'm pretty sure it was cast iron, not cast steel. The way it drilled in the shavings, it was really thin and hard to get a lot of detail on it. But we got a little bit out of it. It got the point across. I'm pretty pleased with it. Hopefully Chris likes it. So we're gonna get this buttoned up and sent out. If you stuck with me this long, I appreciate you. See you on the next one.